Well, I am at Terra Casa today with Diana, and Diana, I love coming here because you have the whole idea here. You have the whole living room set, and we have this lovely couch, and then you have to accessorize it, right?
Of course you do.
And so look at these bowls. There's this beautiful one with the angel, and behind us with trees. They're just so special.
They're fun. We love to do theme bowls because you can change them out throughout the year, and for right now we're doing a lot of obviously Christmas theme bowls. So you can take a centerpiece piece from the store. We used an angel tree topper here. We put spheres around it and some beads, and you can put some lights in it, and then you can also do ones that match the color of your furniture or whatever items in your house you're trying to coordinate. So a lot of options.
That is so beautiful. And then maybe a lantern by it, because you sell so many beautiful lanterns.
We do a lot of lanterns, and they're great with the electric candles in them because you don't have to worry about fire. They're very safe, and you can put sprays in them, you can put candles, you can put more spheres. There's just so many fun things, and we're happy to make these up for you. But you can walk the store and see all the different kinds we've done. If you like it, you buy it just the way you see it, or we'll make one up special.
You know, because I think that's the best part, because somebody has to hold my hand when I go pick all that out, and you all have that beautiful eye to make it so personable and to customize it to us all.
We want to make you happy. We want you to take it home and love seeing it every day in your home.
Well, it is a beautiful place to come, and for inspiration for the holidays is really something.
A lot of ideas, and we do encourage people to shop local this year. I'm seeing a lot of places go out of business, and remember to shop local because we employ everyone that we have here at the store. It lives locally, and I just encourage people to get off the internet and come into the store and see all the beautiful things.
Well, it is an experience to come here because it's all the pieces for our end tables and that, but then there's things for our walls. So really you have to come to experience the store.
You do. You can touch and you can feel and you can smell the candles, and there's a lot to see.
The bowls and lanterns are so beautiful for the holidays, but you can help us move past the holidays.
We can do, what we do is people bring their bowls in after the holidays, and they've packaged things up and stored them, and they want to convert that bowl into springtime. So we take it and we put succulents in it, or we put different florals and different colors of spheres and lights, and we can do a whole bunch of different things. But you bring us the bowl back and we'll decorate it again for you all throughout the year. There's a lot of different things you can do throughout the year, and not just with bowls. You can do it anywhere in your home, your mantle, your cocktail table, the middle of your dining room table with a new runner that brings in the season, and it kind of helps change out your home throughout the year.
And can you tell us about this one artist here? He's very special.
Oh, I am really, really big on Darren Giggy right now. So he is a fabulous artist who has been an illustrator when he was in kindergarten and up through high school. All the teachers thought he was very studious because he was always taking notes, but what he was doing was drawing in the margins on the pages, and so he became a very famous illustrator, and now does a lot of this very beautiful artwork on some canvas. And then these are beautiful reproductions, but the quality of these is just fantastic. The way they pull them over the alder wood wood frame, and there's many different themes. Christmas, there's fall, there's spring, and we're going to carry him year-round. I think he's a made in the USA featured artist that everyone should have some of this in their home.
It is true. And you know, for the holidays you can have artwork, but you can change it up because you'll be carrying it all the seasons. But to come to Terra Casa, it's right in Damascus, and really to come and experience all of these decorations to make your house so beautiful for all your friends and family, I think you do all such a service. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
So go to gardentime.tv, we'll click you over to their website, and you get all that information on how to get out here. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Judy.